In this video, I will show you how to create pick orders in Ongoing's admin interface. In Ongoing WMS, you can pick several orders at the same time by combining the orders onto one pick order, sometimes also known as batch picking. Now, I'm met here with the order list for my goods owner Swedish e-com clothing, and I have a bunch of orders, both with status released and others. I'm going to start looking at the ones with status released. So I'll just type in released here and you'll see that I have filtered the order list. And then I want to look at those with more than one order or one item in the order. So I click descending and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders that have more than one piece for each order. So I select all of these. And I want to put them in one pick order, and then we're going to do the same thing with one piece orders. So, but you can imagine that when you have more than one item on each order, you can go with a picking cart with different bins and put each order in one bin. So here you have 8 items of something, and then you put that in one bin, and then this one in another bin, and so on. And that way you only have to go one route in the warehouse. And we also give you a very good routing suggestion so that you don't go unnecessary lengths. So to create the pick order, we first allocate the orders. So remember that's now we lock goods from the warehouse from specific locations. And now we create pick order. And you'll see that I have a pick order ID here. And now the status is allocated. If you want to directly also withdraw the inventory from the warehouse, you can change status to picked. So you can go here and change status to picked and click this button, or you can click the pick button. But in the default setting is that when you click the pick button, you will also get a pick list for each order. And in this case, we want to look at the combined pick order list for all of these orders. So here I'm prompted to do something, and I want to set allocated goods to picked because I did want to change the status here. When with these selected, I can click the picking list report, and then I will get the proper picking list for these orders. And now I can go around with my picking cart and I'll see what location to go to, what to pick and how many of them and which bin to put them in. Let's say that you want to edit a pick order. So let's go ahead and do like this. And let's say you want to edit a pick order. If, for example, you want to add an order or remove an order from the pick order, then you can go to warehouse and then pick orders. And now I've picked all of those already, but here you can move orders from this area to this area and move them back. Now, it doesn't matter when you allocate the order, you can do that before or after you connect it to the pick order that you're editing. So this is how you can edit a pick order that you have created. We go back to the order list and we check, we do the same thing. We're going to create a pick order for the orders that has only one piece in them. So I'll take all of these and I'll press allocate. And now I'll click create pick order. So you'll see that I have a pick order with ID 63 here. And now I can click this one, picking list with one bin. But let's say I first want to change the status to picked before I go into the warehouse. Then I can do this again, set allocated goods to picked, and now they've been subtracted from the warehouse. But I can still check my picking list and I can click this now with one bin, and you'll see that I should, here I go with a picking cart with just one bin, and I will just put these one-piece orders in there, and then when I go back to the packing station to pack them, I match the items with the specific order numbers. But yeah, I can see the locations where to go and what to pick and the quantity. So here I have 2 one-piece orders for this row because it's quantity 2. So that's how you can create pick orders in Ongoing. Thank you very much.